Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make wireframe render in Vray using in 3ds Max using Vray. So start by making a Vray plane, as you see here, and just put it on the center. It doesn't matter really. And go to your standard primitives and pick an object or any object, doesn't matter real much. Make the segments to 6. I'm going to use a teapot like this. Yeah, that looks good. And okay, let's assign our Vray. I've already assigned, but I'll reassign because I want to reset all the settings. I didn't do any much settings. Okay, so now you go to Vray, and in Vray global switches there's override material. Tick that, and then go to your materials panel and make a new Vray material like this. See? And make the diffuse 200. Yeah, I think 200 is okay. Click OK, and now click this box next to the diffuse color. Click it and scroll down, and you'll see Vray edge text. Click OK, select it and click OK. And if you double click the material, you'll see a preview of it. As you see, it's already wire material, but let's make the color something dark so it pops out. Yeah, like this. Okay, click OK, and yeah, now drag the material over to the none and select instance. Click OK. And what else? Go to indirect illumination, tick it, and select G-engine like cache, show calc face, subdivisions 200, so I'll get a nice view. If you didn't see how to make a Vray render image with a very fast render time, go check out my channel. Something else, I won't turn on anti-aliasing because I don't need it. I mean, it's already turned on, but I don't need it. And yeah, so let's give it a test render and see. Like this checkbox, or task prepass for a 4 rendering image, and as you see, it's wireframe. Well, it is a solid object, but it's kind of wireframe. That's the idea of making it wireframe. Even, you know what, I'll make the subdivisions more, so the segments, I'll make them to 10, so it's much smoother. I'll go to my render settings and just click on irritance map and select low, show calc face, light cache. Yeah. And there you go. A Vray wireframe material ready to apply on all of your materials. You can use this on very big scenes by only clicking on the render setup, making a new material, and applying it into the global switches as an override material, and all of your objects will be affected by this material. If you don't want it, you can just tick this and render it out and see that it's that the color is something else. like the color on the teapot is purple, the ground is green, and yeah. And if you only want to apply it to one object and not all the others, just drag it out like you would a normal material, and the effect will be the same. You don't need all of those render settings, it's just the material and the render settings in the global switches. As you see, we have some color bleeding here. That's awesome. Well, yeah, thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned because tomorrow I'll do some I'll start making tutorials about doing an interior scene with the lighting and all of that nonsense. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and check out Designer's List for more info. See ya.